Just type your question and ChatGPT will give you the answer. Type ChatGPT in Google, then select OpenAI introducing ChatGPT. It will direct you to another page that you won't see on screen now. You're going to select Try ChatGPT, and then you will see this page that is currently loading. You are going to select Sign Up and then continue with Google. Once you have done that, select the account that you want to use or sign up with. Give it some time to load. Still loading. Still loading. And then you're going to click continue. Enter your phone number. And you will receive, or you should receive, a code. So enter your phone number there, and then you're going to receive a code that you're going to enter here. Once you have done that, you will have access to ChatGPT. All you have to do now, any prompt that you want or any instructions or questions that you have, go ahead and type it here, and then ChatGPT will provide a response. For demonstration purposes, or for this demo, the prompt that I gave it is act as an expert story writer and write me a story about the different types of cells and provide some questions with answers. Of course, it went ahead and gave me that information. Ensure though that the prompt that you're giving ChatGPT, they are detailed. The more detailed the prompt is, the more specific it is, the better the response that is generated. So you want to bear that in mind when you're typing in your prompts. Also, tell it to act as an expert or as a science teacher, as an HOD. Give it the directive, give it the perspective of the individual that you'd like it to act as. That will make the response a little bit more authentic and a little bit more tailored to the specific commands that you'd like for it to write. So this is ChatGPT responding in real time with the information that I asked it to provide. It's very simple to use, and of course you can use this to write your lesson plans. You can use this for almost anything at all that you can imagine as a teacher. Very useful. Try it out. If this tutorial was useful for you, please subscribe or share or like. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.